Are there any existing potential conflicts of interest that could impact the investment in triple net leases? Yes, there are many existing potentially conflicts, that could impact an investment or in any kind of commercial, depending on the specifics of the investment and the parties involved. Here are some of the strategies. The insider trading is one, which is like if someone with inside information about a company, if buys or sells shares of that company stock, they could be committing insider trading. That's one factor, which is illegal and can lead to significant financial penalties and legal consequences. The other one is self-dealing. Self-dealing is actually occurs when a person or entity is able to, in a position or of trust or authority, uses the position to benefit themselves at the expense of others. That's self-dealing. For example, if a company executive sells their shares in the company just before a major announcement that causes the stock to price drop, that could be engaged in a self-dealing. The third one probably is the related party transactions. Related party transactions occur when a company does business with a person or an entity that has a close relationship with the company, such as a board member, executive, or their family member actually. And these transactions can raise concerns about fairness and transparency, as the related party may have an incentive to favor their own interest over the interest of the company, overall goals and other things. The fourth one, I would say, would be conflict of interest. In the investment management interest, investment managers may face conflicts of interest if they have personal investments that competes with the investments of the other that they manage in their clients' portfolios and things like that. For example, in an investment manager buys shares in a company, and that is also held in a client's portfolio, they may have a conflict of interest when making a decision about the investment right there. And then the last one I would say would be the brokerage conflict of interest, where brokerage maybe have incentives to recommend certain stocks, investments, or products, which are based on their own financial interests and gains, and rather than the best for interest of the client. So that could be another conflict of interest from the brokerage house. For example, if a broker may recommend a high fee mutual fund interest, that the generates more commissions for the brokers, then even though with the lower cost options, then that could be better for the client. They won't share with them. That could be conflict of interest by the brokerage. So these are just a few examples of many of the potential conflicts of interest that could impact any investment. And be sure to really talk to your financial advisors and all. It's important that investors be aware of all these risks and carefully evaluate any kind of investment, that opportunity that is, before committing your funds and so on like that.